So as you can see, this HVAC, it has some age on it, and so does the dishwasher, and so does the water heater. Now, I just finished showing a buyer this house, and a lot of times, like with my buyers, moving into a new house, you're dropping all of your money on the down payment, and you don't want to close on the property, and a month later, things start breaking on you, expensive things like HVAC units and things like that. Well, the way to hedge against that risk is to get a home warranty. Now, I have home warranties on my rental properties in the house I live in right now, and I utilize them. But the home warranty, it's not for everybody. And in my experience, this is what I found. If I call the HVAC company directly, out here, it's like James River Air, you call them directly, they're Johnny on the spot. They'll be out here in 2 days, maybe the next day, and they'll get it fixed. And if they can't get it fixed, they'll come back again the next day and they'll get it fixed right away. But you're going to pay a lot of money for that. Some people, it's worth it, especially with HVACs who wants to be cold. But right now, I'm going through a situation where my dryer broke in my house. And it's been broken for a month and a week now. And it's probably not going to get fixed for another week. And I have American Home Shield. So my deductible was $125. Do my laundry at my mom's house for a month. Before I figure out another way to do it, it's what's important to you. Some people could afford to go out and just buy another $1,500 dryer. Other people would rather wait. So it really depends, because a home warranty, they're not responsive. You call them to fix the broken dishwasher or dryer. They'll set an appointment for a week or two out. So right off the bat, you're waiting 2 weeks. And then they come in, as with me, they put in a new thermostat in the dryer. That didn't fix the problem. So they said, okay, we have to order a motherboard. So the motherboard has been ordered. It's not going to be here until another week from now. So a month and a half without a dryer. So my cost is capped at $125 deductible versus having to spend $1,500 on a dryer. So it all depends what's important to you. And some people say home warranties suck, and they absolutely hate them because they are terrible when it comes to, timeliness and service and getting it right the first time. It's kind of sloppy and messy, and they stumble their way through getting it fixed, and it takes a month and a half. What's more important to you? You want to spend $1,500 on a new dryer, $1,000 to fix what's broken right now, or pay $125 and just deal with it for a month? So that's the lens that you should look at home warranties through. I hope it's helped.